I could not believe it what Forest River they did in the Cherokee division. They did it right this time because everybody wants 26 feet bunk model, where a full walk around queen bed in the front, two double over double bunk in the rear, next to it the bathroom. But the design, how they did it inside, it's amazing. Where you have a sofa facing the TV and the fireplace, and the big the dinette next to the facing the kitchen. So the new design of 26-foot bunkhouse, it's amazing. What we see here is the brand new 2025 Forest River Cherokee 26KF, where they give you the big view window, perfect view window through the bedroom. So it's very bright. Full outdoor kitchen in the outside. Everybody give you a sink, or they give you just a grill and a fridge, but this one they give you more than that. So let's talk about features first. It's a 26 feet, two entry doors. Why they like this people this floor plan? Because you have a door to the bathroom, so the kids when they're camping outside and they go to the beach, they don't have to drag all the sand and all the dirt through the living room. They can go through that at the door in the back through the bathroom, do their business, and come clean to the truck. So two entry door, 26 feet, two entry door, outdoor kitchen, and it has the phone. So first, beautiful solid metal in the front with a diamond plate at the bottom, electric trunk jack, two propane tank, 20 pounders with a cover. We have a back storage with the magnets, a solar panel controller. So this unit comes with a 200-watt solar panel on the roof with a 30-amp controller right there. And then we have the big view window on the top. These windows and the Cherokee, they have mirrors so you can see my reflection and you can see even the cameraman. Thank you, by the way. This will come with a coastal closet jack to the front to the back. Full outdoor kitchen, which is mean fridge. This is neat. Ice maker. So this unit come with the ice maker. None of them give the ice maker except the Cherokee. Outside shower hot and cold. Full grill. TV hookup. And come with a bracket. By the way, Cherokee, they give you the bracket for outside TV. Come with it. So you can put your 26-inch TV, outside speakers, cable hookup, 110 hookup right there. Nice power awning with LED lights. They have Cherokee at the founders of the glass doors. And the doors, yeah, these doors going to the bathroom. So the kids could come in, do the take shower, take the toilet, clean up, and go back. Go ask them what. Because when you go out camp, what's the most thing they're gonna use? The kitchen, the outdoor living, and the back. That's the most the kids could use for the camp. Then you have a latch here for your dog, cats, for anything you wanna secure. Turkey, they give you that. On a demonstrate this one, they give you the tray in the back. And you tell me, what a tray, okay? You ever go camping and you take with you a fire pit? Or you go camping and you take with you firewood? You go camping and you take your portable generators? You go camping and you want to take bunch of chairs and tables? Where are you going to fit all of that? Majority is you put in your truck or the base. The church is you got a big tray. That this store whatever it was. Like a store generators, launchers, ice chests. You need to buy them. Is little bitty slump. We just didn't make demonstration. Right. It's all just a trade, but that's not the unit. The unit is done. I want for you. I will see a string level. If you down, so you drop it down. Ice chests, portable generators, lounge chairs, fire pits, tables. You can take it with, or you can put a box that's stuff it. Another thing Cherokee can provide you on the gray walls is the backup camera. Come with the camera. By the way, this camera run off your cell phone. But you got a lot of question. How do you run this camera? Well, there's an app that download your cell phone and the app talk. Full storage underneath the bunk area because right now you can see there's a window here And window upstairs, you have two double bunk, double over double, double over double. And then you have a storage underneath it. You have light at the night so you could see when you hook up your black water and the gray water. So you're not in the dark. Because a lot of time other manufacturers they don't give you nothing and you have to go get a flashlight to do the hookup. And then you have here the gray water tank and the black water tank with the valves right there. Uh, Endless hot water heater. You don't have to worry about not having hot water. It's always you're gonna have hot water as long as you open the faucet and you have a pressure demand. Outside shower, hot and cold. So this unit comes with two outside shower, hot and cold. One in the outdoor kitchen and one on the rear. So Cherokee, they thought about Cherokee Grey Wolf. They thought about everything. When you do your hookup and if by mistake something come in your hand and you want to wash your hand, you don't have to drag, walk over into the unit. You have it right here. You have hot and cold as a shower. That's a nice feature, and it's all in one spot. This is the almost 14-foot slide out, where you have the sofa and the dinette cable hookup, and this is the other side of the pass-through storage. Now, on the typical floor plan of 26 bunkhouses, is you have here a wall, and that's where it was, the entertainment centers. And then you have the sofa, the dinette, and the rest is back. So what they did, they put the entertainment center in an angle, and they put it in a door where you have a storage behind it. By doing that, first you have only one door to the bedroom, which is okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But they're giving you a pantry. So that's the advantage for you while you're going by 26 kF. Because Cherokee Grey Wolf, they used to make, and they still make 26 dBH. Typically, you walk in, you have a wall, a place for TV, fireplace, two entryway, one on the right, one on the left, and queen bed. On a 26 kF, they played with the interthermostat. They put it in an angle, they eliminated the two doors, they put only one door to gain a pantry for you and to gain a hidden storage behind that entertainment centers. So if I want to open those two at the same time, so you could see what you gain. You get all this pantry, and then you get all that hidden pantry. So you have a solid pantry here, and all hidden pantry right there, storage. And by doing that, now the TV is in an angle way where everybody's sitting on the sofa and the U-shaped dinette, they could see it. They don't have to go like this all the time. Because I'm sitting here, look, I'm sitting on the sofa, TV facing me. And if I sit on the dinette, on the sides, I'm facing the TV. So that's the beauty about this floor plan by moving the entertainment center to the corner and eliminate the two door and has one door. And then you have a big latch so nothing moves. So that's a very big deal. You have the jackknife sofa and this is turned to a bed. A lot. There's nothing to it. Standard. They're using the zebra shade. And then they have the big U-shaped dinettes, and I love the doors, what they do on the big U-shaped dinette. None of the other manufacturer, they do that. You have one here, and then you have another one. And then you have a solid U-shaped dinette. And definitely, you're going to sit more than just 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And everybody sitting on the dinette, as will the sofa, they could see the TV and the fireplace. Across from it, you have a full kitchen, and I love the country thing. And then they give you complete country thing, deep, all the configuration. Rinsing cup. There's a place for trash can. Even they give you the brochures and trash can. Tinsel doors, cooking pan doors. All this is silverware compartments. Look how deep it is. And then even they put the 4-server 800 number for customer service. And then you have the 3-burner range. See right here. And you have a convection microwave, and that's with the air fryer. We have the 10 point, actually, yes, 10 point, where is it? I'm reading here 10.7 cubic foot refrigerators, almost 11 cubic for reefer. Arms 12 volt, no worries. You have a solar panel 200 watt on the roof. And look how beautiful this bunker is. And you have these baskets to get your toys for the kids, or socks, underwears. There's 2, 4, 6 of them. And full storage underneath. And then this is a bigger bunk. You can see I'm laying down. 2 kids easy. One big person you can. They have the window even. And after that, we're gonna go show you the bedroom. The bedroom, you have a solid door. Now, by having this entertainment center here, look what you gain here in the bedroom. Come, the cameraman. Again, this big closet, which is behind the pantry. Again, a big window. Look how big it is. Again, a TV brackets right here come with it. Yeah, all you have to do is just get the TV and four screws. There's nothing to it. So I got all this, and then you still have the big closets, big storage here, and another storage underneath. Again, with these old baskets. So that's what you gain on the new 26KF Cherokee, a gray wolf. It's a very functional 26-foot bunk models where you could function everything and you could get to everything. And it's very roomy, a lot of storage, a lot of counter space, and it's perfect for family. So guys, come to Best RV, because what's our model of Best RV Center? Is we sell for less. The least thing we're gonna show you, we forgot, is how roomy is the shower and the bathroom. I got small kids, perfect to sit the kids here and give them a bath. Adult, no problem for height. You have a skylight. Elbow, no issue. Knees, and the toilet, very roomy. Sink, deep, and a solid medicine cabinet with a place for storage, place for trash cans, fantastic fan, and then the bathroom door. We're gonna say it again and again, and every video probably you guys you say now we got sick from you. You repeat everything. I'm just want to emphasize one thing. When it comes to a price, we assure you we are the lowest price in the state of California. That's our model. Give you awesome service, no hidden fees, free get ready package. We making it ready for you to go camping at no cost. Just you're paying the sale price, tax and license. Come to Best RV and grab the 26KF.